Schedule messages in Client Chat. It's 11 p.m. and you just finished drafting a follow-up for a client. The message is ready, but you don't want it landing in their inbox at midnight. With scheduled messages, you can write it now and choose exactly when it goes out. Let's say a client hasn't submitted their documents yet, and the deadline is Friday. You open the chat thread, type your reminder, and instead of sending it immediately, you schedule it for Thursday morning at 9 a.m., right when they're likely to sit down at their desk. The message sits in the thread as a pending scheduled item, visible to your whole team, so everyone knows it's on the way. A small clock icon marks it in the thread list too, so nothing gets missed. Plans change. Maybe the client calls Wednesday and you want to move the reminder earlier. Open the scheduled messages list, find your message, and reschedule it. Or maybe they've already sent everything in. Delete it. It's gone. It won't send. Only the person who scheduled the message, plus admins and the firm owner, can edit or delete it. So next time you're working ahead of a deadline, don't hold the message. Schedule it and let TaxDome handle the timing.